Google Scholar is a useful tool for finding scholarly research on your topic. You can find Google Scholar by searching for it on the internet. Before you use Google Scholar, it's important to be aware that not all results are freely accessible from Google Scholar, as it retrieves results from a wide range of sources, including databases the library doesn't pay to access. If you're using Google Scholar off campus, you will need to enable the link resolver in Settings to access content on databases to which the library does not subscribe. Find and click on the Settings cog icon, then Library Links in the left-hand column of the page. In the dialog box, enter Federation. Click on the tick box for Federation University Australia, find it at Federation, then save preferences. Search results will now show a Find it at Federation link if it is available through the library's subscriptions. You will need to authenticate yourself as a Federation University student with your student ID number and password to access the article.